Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of currency pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see here, I have got many lines drawn here. So let me explain one by one. So let's get to the analysis first. So first and foremost, I would like to discuss about this blue line 1750. This is the support for the market, because when market was falling or market was under the heavy selling pressure, this was the main level that provided the required support to the market. Right now the current market price is far away from this particular level, but still 1750 is a valid support for the market. Secondly, we have got this level as a support for the market, and that is 1791. So 1791 is the second support for the market, because you can see that after crossing this particular range, okay, when market was trading in a range here, and when market crossed this range, this was the level 1791. 1791 was the level where market took this support, okay. But as of now, market is trading far away from these levels. Therefore these two levels or these two support levels are not much significant for the market as of now, okay. And right now the main focus, our main focus should be on these two lines. Let me remove this line so that you do not get confused. So right now our main focus should be on these two trend lines here. If you do not have these two trend lines drawn in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw this line so that you can trade better, you can understand the chart better, and you can do proper analysis. So once we draw these lines here on the chart, then right now we can see that market is trading in an upward channel here. And generally whenever we get a scenario like this, our strategy becomes very simple. Buy at support, okay, this is the support for the market, this trend line. Buy at support and sell at resistance. But considering the overall trend of the market, we can see that right now this market is an uptrend. Therefore shorting this market, okay, or shorting at the resistance also can be quite tricky or risky, because there is a possibility that our trades may reverse or we may get trapped. Therefore I'll strongly tell you not to short the market, or please do not short the market at the resistance, because this market is in uptrend right now. You can clearly see that. Therefore the only opportunity in front of us right now is that you should look for buying opportunities at the support. But if you look at the chart here, okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, try to understand the market emotion here. If you look at the chart here right now, then you can see that yes, when market came down to the support level, market uh, saw a price rejection from below, and after that market bounced. But if you just try to understand the market psychology here, then you can see that though market bounced, but see, there is not much buying pressure here, okay. The buyers are not very strong. The market is in uptrend right now, but still buyers doesn't require strength for a big move. Buyers does not have the power, the steam to take the price upward. Okay, that is easily clear to us by looking at the chart here. But still, considering all the aspects of the market, the only safe opportunity is to buy at this level only. Right now you can see that market has formed a red candle, so I'll tell you not to buy here, and I always say that you should always avoid trading in the middle, because as I always say, always look for the trend first, okay. In this case our trend is up, therefore considering the trend of the market, following the thumb rule, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And the second most important point is AOV, or the area of value. As we all know, as I have spoken in hundreds and hundreds of my videos, that area of value or the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support. And in this case, this trend line is our support. We do not have any particular value because this is a dynamic support for the market. So therefore, you'll just have to draw a line here and wait for the market. And keep in mind one thing, again I'm telling you, try to understand the market psychology here. Though market is respecting the support level, you can clearly see that the bulls or the buyers does not have the strength mark. So there is a possibility that market may break also this trend line. In case market breaks the trend line, do not click on the buy button. Please, my dear friend, do not click on the buy button and then just avoid trading on gold USD. Okay, just avoid gold USD if market breaks the support level. Or in case it comes down and takes support at this price level and bounces, then that's a different chapter, 1791 level. But right now, if it breaks the trend line, do not buy. Clear? And I would like to take you to the currency strike meter once, because see, this is a gold USD. Okay. And right now you can clearly see that in the currency strike meter, USD is pretty strong. Yes, USD, US dollar is standing tall. So if US dollar is standing tall, and if we go to the chart of US dollar also, we can see that dollar is very bullish. And if dollar is bullish, or if dollar gets very bullish, or if dollar sees some good upward movement, then gold will fall. The price of gold will fall. Therefore, keep your eyes on gold also. And considering the strength of dollar, there is a good possibility that and the dollar will be facing trouble in going up. Therefore, if you want to take a trade in gold USD, then I'll tell you, or I'll recommend, buy at the support level, or in case it crosses the support level or breaks the support level, just avoid gold USD until and unless it comes down to a proper support level like this or like this. Avoid gold USD, because see, our main motive in market is to earn money, not to show our loyalty to gold USD or euro USD. It's not it. So as I always said, never trade on a chart that you do not understand. So if gold fails to take support and reverses, don't need to buy. Simple. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.